There are two types of maintenance requests. 1. Time-based requests that go live when their program time comes. Use this option, you select the Auto Launch and specify the timings, days and time. This is, in the example illustrated, the case of the first floor HVAC maintenance set to launch automatically at 8 o'clock on the 1st and 16th of every month. 2. User-sent requests, entered in the system via the mobile phone of any authorized person when he encounters a problem. The leakage request in our example is not time planned, it will only show up if a user sends it in. Special tracking is possible for the frequently occurring requests, as well as of requests that fail to resolve. Those who see the problems, staff or clients by using the user app, and those who solve or assign them to other authorized technicians. They are called assistants and use the server app. To illustrate how it goes, let's see a life cycle of a request on the two apps, the user app on the left and the server app on the right. The user sees on his phone all available maintenance requests. Let's select leakage. Let's now enter a descriptive text. Whoops, let's correct this typo. Now, let's take or upload a photo. And finally, send over the full request. Although not necessary in all setups, in this example it is required that you also select the area and location where you have observed the issue. After this selection, you will confirm and send in your request. See how the blinking new request shows up in the server app. Now, below My Requests, you will be able to follow up with this and all of the pending or in-process requests. Cancel it if you wish to proceed, it is not yet confirmed. Or engage in chatting with the maintenance. Let's send it a message. The server is again notified. Let's close My Requests and move to the right side to see the management of request from the maintenance staff. At the top, the server will see his registered name, Tassos in this case. Just below the two boxes correspond to two requests, an old one and the one just arrived. All user and time-based requests for which Tassos is eligible to service will show up here. The left one has been already confirmed by another maintenance staff called Kostas. There is nothing for Tassos to do with it. The right one is the new request. Its location, area, date and user info are shown. This is a pending request. See the down left symbol. Nobody has yet taken care of it. Its box is also clickable. Tassos can click upon it and open it. When clicked, its content will show up. The leakage issue, detected and reported by a user, Tassos can now confirm this request and declare that he will be taking care of it. Before doing this, let's take a look at the 6 images from left to right. Image number 1 is just to close the box. Image number 2 is to look in the chat box. Remember that the user has sent a message in the chat. Tassos can now respond to it if he so wishes. Note the notification message on the client phone. Image number 3 is to cancel the request. Cancelled requests need an explanation to be provided. Image number 4 is for downloading optional documentation for addressing the issue. Image number 5 is for accessing the descriptive photo the user attached to his request. Image number 6 is for delegating the request to some other personnel. Indeed, requests can be serviced in 2 ways, by the first person confirming them or by delegating them to some other. perhaps better equipped to address the particular issue. Finally, Tassos may decide to really confirm this request. See his name showing top right. He is now in charge of solving the issue. After confirmation, Tassos may click Deliver and declare that he is on his way to service the issue. The fourth and last status of a request is that of completion. Tassos is asked to provide a report. The request does not appear anymore on the dashboard. All its data are, however, stored in the database and can be used for much useful performance analytics. Also on the left, the user is again notified that the request has been completed. He can check his requests and see the evaluation icons. He can optionally evaluate the servicing of the issue he reported. This illustrates the core scenario. There is a wealth of additional features related to user management, server assignment to areas, as well as vast analytics across requests and users, based on the information collected throughout the request lifecycle.